Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, today we are here to discuss our 2-month strategy for the chapter Accounting Ratio. आज हम 2-month strategy discuss करने वाले हैं for the chapter Accounting Ratio, that how we are going to revise this chapter in how many days. So, I hope that all of you have now registered yourself for V.O.T.E. If not, then go and register yourself now. Because ये सिर्फ एग्जाम नहीं है, ये comeback है आपका. As 2020 has affected our learning badly, so now it's time to make a comeback with Vedantu Online Talent Exam, which is V.O.T.E. Already one V.O.T.E has already conducted on 28th March. Now still you have a chance to participate on 4th April, 11th April or 18th April. You can participate on V.O.T.E on any of the following days. And why this comeback is necessary? Because this is a free exam. You can make a comeback with free exam. There is no registration charges, no fees at all. Along with that, you can get All India rank. So you can get All India rank, you can get guaranteed scholarship, you can get a chance to win exciting, amazing prizes daily and weekly. And the most important thing, you can become the CEO of Vedantu for one whole day. And you can also win a trip to NASA. So make a comeback and get a chance to win all this. So you can win all these exciting prizes like drone, mobile phone, watch, and many other exciting prizes. So if you don't know how to vote or how to participate, let me tell you. There is a link given below in the description box. You have to go to that link and then you have to register yourself by entering the necessary details. Hi Safi, hi Myra, hi Subhashini. Tomorrow's topic, it will be the same 2-month strategy. We will be discussing the next chapter tomorrow. So first you have to enter your necessary details like name, grade, board and your target. Then your voter ID will be generated. Once your voter ID is generated, you have to pick up your voting days, that on which day you want to give a vote. And then it's all done. So it's very simple to register yourself. Now, how this vote will be conducted and what is the complete information? If you don't know full information about the vote, then don't worry, you can have the full information by checking out our website or by downloading our app. All the informations are available on both website and our mobile app. Now, how this exam will be conducted, let me tell you the format. Well done, Salbina. Great. So, there will be total 3 subjects in this exam. Accounts, business studies and economics. Total 3 subjects will be there. Every subject will have 30 questions. So, total 90 questions will be there. टोटल कितने क्वेश्चंस होंगे? 90 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. हर सब्जेक्ट में 30 क्वेश्चंस. अब मार्किंग कैसे होने वाली है? For every right answer you will get 4 marks. For every wrong answer there will be negative marking. So हमें बहुत सोच समझ के आंसर देना है क्योंकि negative marking भी है. You're welcome Salbina. All thanks to your hard work. And you will get total 90 minutes to attempt this whole exam. So this will be of 1.5 hours. Now, you don't want to play alone. You are searching for your friends or you want to play with your friends. Then there is a good news that you can create your own squad and you can participate along with your friends. So So invite your friends to our app or to our website and create your own squad, and you can win together the big and amazing prizes. So go and create your squad right now and register yourself so that you can win all these exciting prizes and guaranteed scholarship and a trip to NASA. So this is class 12th accountancy session, and this is for those students who are already in class 12. This is old class 12th. Those who are coming to class 12, this session is not for those students. तो ये पुराने क्लास 12th के बच्चों के लिए है, those who will be appearing in boards exam 2021. Now, what we are going to discuss today. So today we are here to discuss our 2-month strategy plan for the chapter, which chapter? So I forget which chapter we are doing today. Okay, so this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having one more class at 7 PM with Neha ma'am. तो इसके बाद आपकी 7 PM class होगी with Neha ma'am. Now, if you guys are new to our channel, Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and also make sure you like this video and you share this with your friends. And if you want the notes for the upcoming session in the PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given in the description box below. So, do you guys want to score more than 95 in boards exam? क्या आपको 95 से ऊपर मार्क्स लाने हैं बोर्ड्स में? तो इंतजार किसका कर रहे हैं? We are here to solve all your doubts. If you have any doubt in any chapter, please let us know in the comments box. We will be taking all your doubts and we will be answering them. Now, we all are ready for our 2-month strategy. And now we have only 1 month. अब हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 महीना बचा है, because April will be starting from tomorrow and your exams will be in May. So now it's time to be very serious. It's time to give about 4 to 5 hours minimum to your self-study. Only then you guys can score good marks in your boards exam. तो अब बहुत serious वाला time है. सब कुछ छोड़ दो, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, leave all the social website, leave everything, just focus on your studies now. So today we are going to discuss the chapter Accounting Ratio. This chapter is of 4 marks. It's okay, Bhavesh. So this chapter is of 4 marks in your final exam, and today we are going to discuss that how many days we need to complete this entire chapter. कितने दिनों में हमें ये पूरा चैप्टर करना है और हमें क्या क्या टॉपिक्स करने हैं out of this chapter. So you basically need 4 days to complete this entire chapter. We need 4 days to complete this entire chapter because there are 4 different types of ratio. There are 4 different types of ratio. On each day, we will complete one type of ratio. So, what we will cover in these 4 days? On first day, you will do liquidity ratio. पहले दिन हम liquidity ratio खत्म कर देंगे. Current ratio, quick ratio, both the ratio. On second day, you will do solvency ratio. All the 4 types you will cover on second day. Third day, you will do activity ratio or turnover ratio. All the 4 types of activity ratio you will cover on the same day. And please don't miss the schedule that आज नहीं करते, कल कर लेंगे. Don't do procrastination because now you have very limited time. अब हमारे पास बहुत कम समय बचा है. तो अब हम लोग ये नहीं कर सकते कि आज नहीं कल पढ़ेंगे, कल नहीं बाद में पढ़ेंगे. अब आपको अभी पढ़ना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कल का टाइम तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं. So on 4th day you will do profitability ratio. This is what you have to do in these 4 days. There are 4 types of ratio and on each day we will do different type of ratio. First day you will complete liquidity ratios. Second day you will complete solvency ratios. Third day you will complete activity ratios. And fourth day you will complete profitability ratios. Yes, Bhavesh, it is crucial time for both students. So now we are going to have the ratio formula sheet. This is a sheet in which all the formulas are written. So you can revise all the formulas with the help of this sheet. Now, there are some formulas which are not in your syllabus, like EPS. EPS is not in your syllabus. And price earning ratio. This is also not in your syllabus. Rest of the ratios are in your syllabus. So this is your ratio formula sheet. All the formulas are written here. So to revise all the formulas, to revise all the ratios, you can refer this sheet. So यहाँ पर आपको सारे फॉर्मूला मिल जाएंगे, whether it is liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. All the formulas are written here. Some are missing. So for that, you can see a recorded session. Some are missing some are missing in the sheet. So if you want to check out those, then you can see a recorded session. Hi Punjab foodies, long time back I am seeing you. You are in 12th now. Okay, great. So how was 11th result? So these are the formulas. And in this chapter, we have to focus only on formula part because the entire chapter depends on the formula. अगर आपको formula नहीं आता, if you are confused in formulas, then you cannot do the question. So if you want to score 4 out of 4 out of this chapter, in this chapter, then you have to cram the formulas. अच्छे से आपको formula आने चाहिए. It should be on your tips. So formula को घोल के पी जाओ ताकि हमें अच्छे से formula याद हो जाए. And they only tell us we are pass or not, and I'm pass, and my result was today. Okay, I got it. So now we are going to discuss one example of this chapter so that we can get an idea that how the questions will come in boards exam. कैसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे बोर्ड्स एग्जाम में? लेट्स हैव एन एग्जांपल. सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कैलकुलेट 4 डिफरेंट रेशो. हमें 4 रेशो कैलकुलेट करनी है. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो. You have to calculate working capital turnover ratio. You have to calculate debt equity ratio. And you have to calculate proprietary ratio. So this question will come for 4 mark and every ratio will have 1 mark. आपको 4 ratio calculate करनी है और ये question कितने नंबर का है? 4 नंबर का. Now we have to calculate gross profit ratio. So what is the formula to calculate gross profit ratio? What is the formula to calculate gross profit ratio? The formula is gross profit divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. This is the formula to calculate gross profit ratio. Now, gross profit we have to divide by revenue from operation. Is it given in the question? Gross profit. Can you see gross profit in this given information? The answer is no. The gross profit is not given. So first you will find out gross profit. First you will find out gross profit and you have to show it in your answer that you are calculating it. So gross profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of goods sold. So revenue from operation is 10 lakh. Cost of goods sold is 6 lakh. So 10 lakh minus 6 lakh, your gross profit is 4 lakh. This is your gross profit. Now you can divide the gross profit by revenue from operation. So gross profit 4 lakh divided by revenue from operation 10 lakh multiplied by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Your answer is 40%. This is your answer. This is your gross profit ratio. Okay, Punjab foodies, see you from tomorrow. So this is your answer. The gross profit ratio will be 40%. Gross profit ratio will be 40%. Similarly, we will calculate all the other ratios. So we have calculated gross profit ratio. Now the next which we have to calculate is working capital turnover ratio. Next क्या calculate करना है हमें? Working capital turnover ratio. What is the formula of working capital turnover ratio? क्या formula है? कैसे calculate करेंगे? The formula is working capital turnover ratio is equal to revenue from operation divided by working capital multiplied by 100. So revenue from operation, it is 10 lakh. Revenue from operation, it is 10 lakh. So हमें यहाँ पर multiply 100 नहीं करना. We will not multiply with 100. So revenue from operation is 10 lakh. But working capital is again not given in the question. Working capital given nahi hai. So we will calculate working capital. You will show this in your answer that working capital is equal to current assets minus current liability. So current assets are 4 lakh and current liabilities are 2,80,000. So 4 lakh minus 2,80,000. Your answer is 1,20,000. So revenue from operation divided by working capital 1,20,000. And the answer will be 100 divided by 12. 100 divided by 12. Your answer is 8.33 times. This is your answer, 8.33 times. So what will be a working capital ratio? It will be 8.33 times. Gross profit का formula था 11th में sales minus. Yes भावेश, जो आप sales plus sales में से minus करते हो purchases plus direct expense. Purchases plus direct expense, it is equal to cost of goods sold. So you are using the same formula in class 11th also. The same formula is applied in class 11. So this is your working capital ratio, 8.33 times. Now coming on to the next. The third ratio that we have to calculate is debt equity ratio. We have to calculate debt equity ratio and the formula is very simple. The formula to calculate this ratio is debt divided by equity. This is the formula, debt divided by equity. Debt means debenture. Debt means debenture. So debt will be 2 lakh. Debt will be 2 lakh. And equity means share capital. So equity will be 5 lakh. Debt means debenture. Debt means non-current liability. So debt is 2 lakh. Equity means shareholder fund, share capital. So equity is 5 lakh. Debt divided by equity. 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh. Your answer will be 2:5. Your ratio is 2:5 or it is 0.4:1. It is 0.4:1. So this is debt equity ratio, debt divided by equity. Debt and equity both are directly given in the question. Now coming on to proprietary ratio. The next that we have to calculate is proprietary ratio. So what is the formula to calculate proprietary ratio? The formula is shareholder fund divided by total assets. Shareholder fund divided by total assets. Now shareholder fund means equity, means shares. So shareholder fund will be equal to share capital, 5 lakh. You have to divide it by total assets. Now the total assets are not given in the question. Can you see total assets in the information given? No, the total assets are not given. So now what we will do, we will find out total liability. If you cannot find out total asset, then try to find out total liability, because total assets are equal to total liability. So अगर क्वेश्चन में टोटल एसेट्स गिवन नहीं है तो टोटल लाइबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करो, बिकॉज टोटल एसेट्स आर इक्वल टू टोटल लाइबिलिटी. So now how we will find out total liability? Total liability is equal to shareholder fund plus debenture plus current liability. So shareholder fund 5 lakh, debenture 2 lakh and current liability 2,80,000. You will add all these items to find out current liability, total liability. So 5 lakh plus 480, it will be 9,80,000. Your total assets are equal to total liability, and total liability is equal to 9,80,000. So your proprietary ratio will be, proprietary ratio is shareholder fund divided by total assets. So 5 lakh shareholder fund divided by total assets 9,80,000. Your answer is 25:49 or 0.51:1. So this is your proprietary ratio. Hi Kunthal, is NCERT enough for class 12th? No, it is not enough. Because in NCERT there are only few practical questions which are not enough for your revision. You have to refer either D.K. Goyal or T.S. Grewal for scoring good marks. So this is your question in which we have calculated 4 ratio. And these types of question will come in your final exam, that will be of 4 marks. Now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? If you guys have any doubts, then you may ask in the comments box. So is it clear or not? Yes, Bhavesh, clear. भावेश 12 की तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दी. हाँ, this entire chapter is formula based. You have to just learn the formula and you are done with the chapter. So this is how the questions will come in your final exam for 4 marks. What you have to do is in this chapter is you have to learn the formula. तो आपको अच्छे से formula learn करना है, because the entire chapter is based on formula only. So that's it for today. If you guys want to watch other classes, or if you want to see the classes of proprietary ratio, activity ratio, liquidity ratio, if you want to see other topics, then you can see our previous session. All the recorded sessions are available on our channel. So go and check out our channel for the recorded classes of the other topic. So, do you guys want to solve more than 1,000 question? If you guys want to solve more than 1,000 question, and if you want to practice more question, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. Because in this Pro Subscription, we are providing you some amazing benefit. That includes more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects, whether it is accounts, mathematics, economics, or business studies. Along with that, we are providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers are provided to you, and all these teachers will continuously focus on your areas of improvement, on your weakness. Along with that, we will also conduct regular test series for you. We will provide you regular assignments that will contain thousands of questions. And the most important thing, all these classes will be conducted in English only. So, worried about price? The actual price of this Pro subscription for 1 month is 3,499. But right now, this is available for only 2,799 because we are providing flat 20% discount to you. So if you want to enjoy all these benefits at flat 20% discount, then go and take your Pro subscription right now by using my promo code SCPRO. You can use this code to avail 20% discount. Kuntal, which chapter you will start from tomorrow for class 12th? We will be following the same strategy 2-month plan, and I will be telling the next chapter tomorrow. We will be discussing the cash flow statement tomorrow. Bhavesh, abhi to time hai college aane mein. You have 1 year. Hi Manjeet. So that's it for today. For upcoming session, if you want the notes of upcoming session, then you all can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given in the description box below. And if you guys are new to our channel, or if you are watching this space for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce and make sure you like this video and you share this with your friends. So that's it for today. Now see you all tomorrow in another session with one another chapter. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Manjeet. Thank you so much.